Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the support memory. So this video is for beginner, for the new player. They are still new how to battle in the Dokkan and how to level up and many more. So in this video I want to show you how you can use the support memory. Tap the team menu here and tap this one. You have to learn this support memory first before you use it, like this. Some still lock like this, so it's still locked. All I cannot use this support memories because it's zero. I have no film that can support this. I mean, I'm not complete this support memory. So you can get this support memory from event, story event, and a Dokkan challenge event. So this one I already unlocked this oolong and I already level up this. So if you level up, the chance of obtaining bonus reward also increase. And this is for the extreme one, Planet Namek Saga category extreme class. So you can if you do not have a film, you can buy it in Baba shop in exchange. This one you can search, scroll down, you can find a film like this. I'm still it's already, I already got this, but the film is still 40. And then you can try in the match. For example, let's try in some event, if you want greening medals like this, I recommend you to use the support like this. This is the medals that you need to collect. I recommend you to use the support memories and tap here like the oolong, and your support memories is already equipped and you can use and activate in the battle. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.